with the clock on her belly and stars in her hair. She purrs with a wiggle, her tail goes swing. It's Tick-Tock the Time Cat, let's learn everything. At 8 o'clock she gives a meow. Time for breakfast right here, right now. Milk in a bowl and fish on a plate. Don't be late, it's breakfast at 8. Or 10 o'clock, it's time for play. Jumping boxes all the day, chasing yarn and toy mice too. Tick-tock pounces, 1, 2. Tick-tock, tail goes swish and sway, helping us cram time each day. From morning stretch to evening nap, Time Cat shows it on her lap.
Oh, at 12 o'clock the sun is high. Lunchtime treats go flying by. Crunchy snacks and belly rubs, then a dance with dancing bugs.
At 2 o'clock she curls up tight, dreaming of stars in the middle of light. A whisker twitch, a little snore. She naps till her tail swings once more. Tick-tock, tail goes swish and sway, helping us tell time each day. From breakfast bites to bedtime fun, Time Cat tells us when it's done. At 6 o'clock the sky turns gold. She chases shadows brave and bold. Dinner served, she licks her paw and watches time with quiet awe. At 8 o'clock the stars appear. She climbs the moon with a sleepy cheer. Snuggles close, the night begins. She sleeps while her clock